What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video on East Coast Garage. Today we're working on the Chevy Cruze, tearing it apart. I got my cousin here helping me today. He helped me buy this. We went in on it 50-50. So he's going to be in some of the videos helping me tear stuff apart and put stuff back together. Thanks for joining and hope you enjoy.
Doesn't look bad at all.
Don't touch the blood.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Looks like there's like hair
Okay. Now I want to wash my hands.
right there. And then same over here. What's all that?
Yeah, could be.
Pretty gross.
What the? On both friggin' sides, though.
Yep. Right? I don't know how that's possible.
Yeah, I don't get it either. Did you do it once? That's pretty rare. Oh yeah, she needs to be cleaned up pretty good.
Yeah.
But doesn't look like anything scratched up or anything like that.
Right. No burn holes in the seats or anything too bad. Just dirty. Yeah, take a look in here. What do you think of that?
Yeah. The radiator's definitely pushed back in.
Yeah. This fan might be okay. Maybe.
Maybe, maybe not.
Maybe, maybe not.
A little bit of rust on that too, huh?
Yeah. It's been sitting for a little while, I'm
Yeah.
sure.
Yeah, we might have to replace this too.
Yeah, it's possible. I'm sure that's pretty cheap.
But start tearing it apart and see what's good.
Yeah. Let's go ahead and tear it apart. So the first thing we'll probably do is take these plastic covers off, which will probably let us get at the bolts for the bumper. And I'm thinking we're gonna have to pull the bumper off before anything else. Then bumper, fenders, radiator, condenser, go from there.
Yeah.
Alright, well, get started.
Yeah, and you want to keep all this plastic stuff together, and it's all
Plastic top.
two screws too.
Yeah.
Let's keep all that together. Donkey. Grab that side.
Ready?
This side. This side's a lot looser.
Yeah, 'cause mine's kind of all smashed up.
Garbage anyway right there.
There it is.
Yeah, we're gonna put this back. Hold on.
Yep, no, I'm holding it.
Here, slide it back
No,
on that.
just twist it. Just turn it. Yep, there you go. Sweet. Bumper's out.
Got a lot of sand in here. Huh. Look at that.
So we got the bumper out. Oh yeah. I think this thing's...
No. It's supposed to be like that. Come over this side and take a look. It's creased.
Yeah, is that because of the hit though?
On the same. No.
No?
No.
You sure?
Yeah, because they're completely even.
That's true. Why would they be like that though?
Just the shape of it.
It looks like it's supposed to purposely crunch like that.
Yeah.
Like when it gets in an accident.
They're bent completely even, dude. No possible way.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's healthy.
I wonder why they're like that. Huh?
Yeah, once they're bent like that, technically it's probably stronger.
I think that's the airbag sensor right there.
Could be.
I don't know what else that would be. It was right in the front bumper. I think that saved us from not having to replace the airbag.
Got a vacuum in here?
Nice.
Maybe
I just push it out on the floor. We can sweep up. Yeah, so let's start pulling some more of this front pieces off.
Look at this radiator too.
Yeah. Start getting off. Oh boy.
Yeah, that's. She's gone.
Yeah, see it snapped right off the mount.
The mount snapped?
Yeah.
We need a new one, huh?
Yep.
That dented there.
Oh, you touch it and pieces fall out. Yeah. Alright, let's get all this.
We got dented there.
Take all this off. And another piece off. One piece at a time.
Huh?
Getting this AC condenser out. And there it is. Sweet. Yeah, this thing's done. In the junk pile. Look at this thing. Man. Blow like a banana. Those are the good parts over there. Junk parts here. I'm gonna take some pieces off this bumper here, like that marker light, the grills, maybe this badge, a few other little things. And now we're gonna figure out how to get this radiator out of here. Just about got the radiator out. One last piece. Hoses out of the way. There we go. Oh yeah, she's a little smashed.
Yeah, this is garbage.
I'm gonna put it over in the light.
Yeah. Oh boy. Making a mess. Don't want to tilt it that way too much.
Yeah.
We're spilling.
And then this thing's all busted up. And I need a new fan.
Yeah, I'll turn it this way.
It's junk. Oh man, look at this. Smash. Oh,
New radiator.
this is junk. Is that the thermostat in there? No.
Not salvageable.
No. No.
Like my gloves.
No. Well, we got everything taken apart in the front. And just looking over everything to make sure there's no damage that we didn't know about. But as far as we can tell, every structure piece looks straight. Don't see anything that's bent. The only thing is this right here. It's a little bit pushed in. But I really don't think that's a problem. That's a pretty beefy subframe piece. And I don't think it tweaked any of this to move the motor mount or anything. So, I'm not too worried about that. But we're gonna move on now and start taking this fender off. Video on.
So, I don't want this one.
No worries.
Use a freaking power tool.
I gotta drill it out, you weirdo. nice in here now. It takes a little while to get warmed up, but
What size do you think that
we
is?
got 64 in here now. Alright, pull it off. There we go. What is this thing?
Plastic. Got a couple clips there. I don't think it's broken. I just think it needs to be taken off.
Got one fender off. Looks pretty good. No damage here. Well, I guess that's it for today. We got this all taken apart. Took all the bad pieces off. Assessed all the damage. We have a list of everything we need to get now to put this car back together. Cleaned everything up. Got a few parts over here. These are some good pieces that we're keeping. All good stuff here. The grill. All those are good pieces there. So here we have all the junk pieces, everything that's broken. Radiator, front bumper, AC condenser, fenders. So these are all no good. Can't use them. Have to buy all new ones. Well, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video where we start assembling everything. This is where we're at now. So yeah, hit that notification button so you know when the next video comes up. Hopefully I'll be putting out about one video a week. Depends on how long it takes for parts to get in and how my schedule looks and things like that. Thanks for joining.